Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered how your phone can finish your sentences, or how you can have a surprisingly decent chat with a computer? Well, today we're diving into the fascinating world of something called LLM, or large language models. Don't let the fancy name scare you. Think of it like this. Imagine a super smart, super well-read friend who's absorbed pretty much everything ever written. So, what exactly is an LLM? At its core, it's a type of artificial intelligence that has been trained on a massive amount of text data, think books, articles, websites, you name it. It learns patterns, grammar, facts, and even different writing styles. It's like it's gone to the biggest library in the universe and read every single book, then figured out how all the words fit together. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so it's a really good reader. What's the big deal? Well, because it understands language so well, it can do some pretty amazing things. It can generate text, translate languages, answer your questions, and even help you brainstorm ideas. It's not actually thinking like we do, but it's incredibly good at predicting what word should come next to make sense. It's like a master puzzle solver for words. Let's look at some real-world examples that are probably already part of your life. You know when you're typing a text message and your phone suggests the next word or even a whole phrase? That's often an LLM at work, trying to guess what you're going to say. Or when you use a translation app to understand a menu in another language. Yep, LLMs are behind that magic too. Think about customer service chatbots. Instead of waiting on hold forever, you can often get instant answers to your questions from a chatbot that's powered by an LLM. It can understand your problem and provide helpful information, saving you time and frustration. It's like having a super efficient assistant available 24/7. And for students, LLMs can be a fantastic tool for learning. Imagine needing help understanding a complex topic for a school project. You could ask an LLM to explain it in simpler terms or even to summarize a long article. It's like having a patient tutor who can explain things in different ways until you get it. Just remember, it's a tool to help you learn, not to do the work for you. That would be like asking your friend to eat your homework, and we all know how that goes. It's important to remember that LLMs are tools, and like any tool, they're best used responsibly. They can be incredibly helpful, but they're not perfect. They can sometimes make mistakes or generate information that isn't quite right. So it's always a good idea to double-check important facts. Think of it as a super smart assistant who sometimes needs a little fact-checking from you, the boss. The world of LLMs is constantly evolving, and it's exciting to see how they're making our lives easier and more connected. They're helping us communicate, learn, and solve problems in ways we never thought possible. Thanks so much for joining me today to explore LLMs. I hope this made them a little less mysterious and a lot more interesting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights explained simply. See you in the next video.